feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. Sir, the government of India did not pay any heed to the demand of the state for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, thereby depriving us in various ways. So, sir, I want to appeal to you, sir, that the governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir. I don't want that we will proceed. We have to start shouting slogan if the governor continue to address us in Hindi, sir. In the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior that is expected of an elected member.
Oh.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior expected of the elected member.
The
Honourable Speaker, the Honourable Governor is addressing the House.
Stop the governor.
The Honourable
No, we are
Governor is
not
addressing the
misbehaving.
House.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the state.
This is not the kind of
This
behavior
is
is
against
expected
sentiment of the people.
of elected members.
The people of the state will not accept to be imposed.
It's because he wants to do it. He's doing it because he has limitations of
Meghalaya
reading,
is not a Hindi-speaking
not in English
state.
but in Hindi. And therefore the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English.